2, use unit multipliers to convert 4 cubic feet to liters. Now, here we're going from a cubic unit, cubic feet, into a non-cubic unit, liters. But again, liters is a volume unit. Cubic feet is also a volume unit. So this is where we have to bridge the gap a little bit. And the facts we're going to have is that 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 milliliter. That's going to be our bridge between cubic units of volume and liters and milliliters and so on. All right, all the other stuff that we know about units, I know that 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. I know that 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. So if I go from cubic feet to cubic inches to cubic centimeters gets me over to milliliters, and then once I get to milliliters, I can go to liters. All right? So that's the process that's going to happen here. So what I want you to pay attention to here is watch this 4 cubic feet. Currently the unit of foot is cubed, and my unit multiplier involving feet is not cubed, right? That's just feet, not cubic feet. So I'm going to put feet on bottom for cancellation purposes. I'm going to put inches on top because I want to change to inches. 12 inches is equal to 1 foot. This is cubic feet, this isn't, so I have to cube this, which cubes the 12, cubes inches, cubes 1, cubes feet. The cubic feet here and the cubic feet here will cancel, leave me with cubic inches. Then I'm going to use this fact, inches to centimeters, and I'm going to put inches on bottom for cancellation purposes, centimeters on top because I want to change to centimeters. I know that 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters according to this fact here. Again, this is inches and centimeters, not inches cubed and centimeters cubed. This is inches cubed, so this has to be cubed for cancellation. So this cubic inches that's officially here and this cubic inches that's here will cancel, leave me with cubic centimeters. Now I'm going to move on to this fact. 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 milliliter. Notice, this is cubic centimeters, this is also cubic centimeters. I don't have to cube this because it's already got the correct unit. So this exact unit, cubic centimeters, and this cubic centimeters is going to cancel, leaving us with milliliters. And at this point, my unit is no longer cubed, so nothing else is going to be cubed from this point forward. So the final fact I'm going to use here is that 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. I'll put milliliters on bottom for the cancellation purposes. Liters on top. 1 of these equals 1,000 of these. This unit matches this unit exactly, so notice no cubing necessary. So again, be careful. There's cubing and not cubing within these problems. You have to be careful that you cube what you need to and don't cube what you don't need to. And all that's left altogether is 4 times 12 cubed times 2.54 cubed times 1 divided by 1 don't do anything, and then divided by 1,000. All the ones, if you multiply by 1 or divide by 1, they don't matter, so ignore all the ones. Just look at all the numbers that aren't ones. Everything on top multiplies, everything on bottom divides. Again, things raised to powers get raised to powers. So we just type that in our calculator. 4 times 12 caret 3 times 2.54 caret 3 divided by 1,000 comes out to 113.27